Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news for all you homeowners out there. Do you want to give your home a stunning makeover with a brand new garage door? Or perhaps your existing one has seen better days? Well, you're in luck because we have got just the solution for you. Stay tuned as we introduce you to Dotek Garage Doors, your trusted partner for residential garage door installation and repair. Your garage door is not just a functional part of your home. It's also a statement piece that can enhance your home's curb appeal. With countless design options available today, you can truly make your garage door reflect your personal style. And who better to trust with this important home improvement project than the experts at Dotek Garage Doors? They're a Scarborough-based garage door company with a stellar reputation for delivering top-notch services. Let's take a look at the fantastic services we offer. Residential garage door installation, roller overhead doors, sectional garage doors, steel garage doors, aluminum overhead doors, same-day services, 24 hours emergency service, flat rate spring changes warranty, annual servicing maintenance, residential garage door repair. So, what makes Dotek Garage Doors the best choice for residential garage door installation? Well, there are plenty of reasons. Wide range of door models, 24/7 service with satisfaction guarantee, fully trained technicians, expert guidance on care and maintenance. Are you ready to elevate your home with expert residential garage door installation and repair services? Dotek Garage Doors is here to help. They serve Scarborough, Thornhill, North York, Pickering, Richmond Hill, Ajax, and Mississauga. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your home's curb appeal with Dotek's exceptional garage door solutions. Contact them today for an estimate and take your garage's functionality and aesthetics to the next level. That's it for today's video. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you are as excited about Dotek Garage Doors as we are.